Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can activate two WhatsApp accounts and applications on your Android 14 device. So if you need the second WhatsApp account with the separate contacts, numbers, message of course, go to the Play Store and look for the WhatsApp. And slide a little down and look for the WhatsApp Business. Just install this app, and by this quick way we have two WhatsApp applications on one device. That was the first method. Now the second one, if you need maybe more WhatsApp application or you cannot install the WhatsApp Business, look for the Dual Space app in the Google Play Store. Choose one of them. I previously installed that one, so we can launch it now. Decide that you want to get notifications. If you're making it for the WhatsApp, this could be helpful, but I don't need to. Okay, now agree the terms and other permissions. Now just tap on the WhatsApp icon and hold for starting automatically, and now we're creating the next WhatsApp application on our phone. And that's it, this is how it works. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.